Okay, gold has been super bullish for the past 3 weeks now, and the fun part is it has been repeating the same structure, and I'm going to show you how. So without wasting your time, let's jump into the chart and analyze it so we can see what gold has been doing for this past 3 weeks that it has been bullish, almost like 4,000 pips or so, and it has been the same structure, repetitive. So let's dive into the chart and start. So here is the chart, as we can see. And let me use this. Here is the chart, as you can see. This is gold charts. Let me narrow it down to daily time frame. Okay, and as you can see, this has been my Fibonacci zone. Let me take it out. You can see how gold has been so bullish, and look at all my setup has been buy zone, and holding zone. Okay, so look how gold has been bullish since the start of August, the ending of August 20. Gold has been bullish. Okay, so not to go much further down, let's start from the recent move of gold. So let's switch to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so as you can see, I'm switching to 1 hour time frame so that we're gonna understand it better. So this is the only thing that gold has been doing, always the same thing, repetitive. It has not changed. Okay, so I'm gonna use only two things. I'm gonna use my Fibonacci tool and just this trend line. Okay, so what am I going to be looking at? This is all-time high. You can see this is an all-time high here, this one. So let me clone this. We're going to be doing it for 3 different all-time high. This is another all-time high. Okay, all this all-time high were the all-time high that gold created over the past week. So let's check another one. I think this is another one here. Okay, which is where I first made my buy entry. So let's start. So taking your Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci retracement tool, and then let's see. So from all it has been doing is, once it breaks an all-time high, as you can see, this was the last all-time high. This was yesterday's all-time high, I think so. So once it breaks all-time high, what it tends to do is from here, okay, let me use this upside. This is the Fibonacci retracement. So it always reverses back into the once it reverses, comes back into the zone of 0.68. okay, it always come back to touch the 0.68 and then continues upward again to break another all-time high. So once it breaks this all-time high, it's gonna keep going. Then once it's time for reversal, it's going to reverse back into the 0.618 point. So this is first all-time high. Now let's go to the next all-time high, okay, which is this. Okay, it is this all-time high. So you can see gold broke, it just finished and came, and then it broke the all-time high here, as you can see. So measuring my Fibonacci tool from here, this is where it started reversing, okay, as you can see, and then this is where it started going up. So you can see from here it reversed back into where 0.68 points, and what did you see? It started going up from here, broke the all-time high, and did the same thing again. This is the second time. So let's go to another all-time high. Okay, let me shift this out. Let's go to another all-time high, which is, let me bring it here, which is this. This is another all-time high here, and let's just check it out. So immediately gold broke. It has not actually fully broken here. So immediately it broke here with this candlestick. You can see it broke here, fully body broke. So we are going to measure from where the market started pushing up to where it started reversing. So this is the exact points where the market started pushing up and where it started reversing. I'm going to take the Fibonacci back up until this all-time high here, and as you can see, so let's check. This is a strong reversal, and check it out. Where did it go reverse to? 0.618 again for the third time, and after that, boom, it goes up to go and break the all-time high, So exactly, so since this one has already come back to the 0.618 points, you should expect what for the next move of gold? Today is Thursday, right? So you should expect this, nothing less than this. Gold is gonna come, push up, break this all-time high like this. Let me just give something like a path. Gold is gonna come up, break this all-time high like this, and then maybe push more up and then come back to what? Let's bring back the Fibonacci zone. Okay, so what you're gonna be doing today for gold is this. You're just gonna be adjusting your Fibonacci and waiting for that retracement so that you catch the big move. You don't need to do anything more. Okay, so this is all-time high. You can see this is all-time high. Let me zoom it. This is all-time high. So let's imagine gold is gonna come back up until 72 to break the all-time high. After it breaks the all-time high, let's just imagine it's gonna come back up onto here, maybe 60. Just imagine, because I am not good. So let's just say after it breaks this all-time high, it comes back to 60. What you're gonna be waiting for is for gold to retrace back into this point, 0.68 exactly. And what I'll advise you, since it has happened 3 times, go in full margin. I'm gonna advise you to do that. Don't try it. So what you're gonna be waiting for is a little retracement back to the 0.618 mark, and then boom, you take your bullish move and keep riding the show, because why? Gold is super bullish. That's just the thing. So this is my simple analysis for gold. I hope it helps you well. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you all for watching, and let's go together. HurricaneFx out.